To track Google Analytics 4 setup, start by creating a new Google Analytics 4 property in your existing Google Analytics account. This can be done by logging into your account, navigating to the admin section, and clicking on Create Property. Select Google Analytics 4 and follow the setup wizard to create your new property. Next, you need to set up data streams, which are the sources of data in Google Analytics 4. There are two main types of data streams: web and app. For a website, you would set up a web data stream by providing the URL of your website and giving the stream a name. You will then be given a measurement ID, which you will need to add to your website. To add the measurement ID to your website, you can use a tag management system like Google Tag Manager, or you can manually add the Google Analytics 4 tracking code to your website. If you are using Google Tag Manager, create a new tag, select Google Analytics 4 configuration, and enter your measurement ID. If you are adding the code manually, you will need to add the tracking code to the header of every page on your website. Once the tracking code is installed, you can verify that data is being sent to Google Analytics 4 by using the debug view. The debug view allows you to see the data that is being sent to Google Analytics 4 in real time. You can access the debug view by navigating to the Configure section of your property and clicking on Debug View. After verifying that data is being sent, you can start to explore the different reports in Google Analytics 4. The Reports section is where you can see the data that has been collected, including user behavior, demographics, and conversion data. You can use this data to gain insights into how users are interacting with your website and make data-driven decisions to improve your marketing strategy. Best practices for tracking Google Analytics 4 setup include ensuring that the tracking code is installed correctly, verifying that data is being sent to Google Analytics 4, and regularly checking the reports to gain insights into user behavior. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively track your Google Analytics 4 setup and use the data to improve your marketing strategy.